Hey guys, Ash here from C4 Tech, and over the past few weeks, we've been seeing a few reports of Galaxy Note 7s exploding while charging. Well, it is not uncommon to see these kind of reports. Just in the last month or so, we've seen quite a few exploding phones, right from Apple to Xiaomi. But what's different with the Note 7 is that we've also been seeing reports of Samsung pushing the launch dates of the Note 7 in quite a few markets, including our own India. Right now, Amazon shows the phone as unavailable. The Samsung store doesn't even have it listed. Weird. In the middle of all this, we've been hearing rumblings of Samsung doing more quality checks with the Note 7. Now finally, news has broke that Samsung's recalling the Galaxy Note 7. So what happened? Yonhap, South Korea's largest news agency, has gotten the following from a Samsung official who wanted to remain anonymous. Products installed with the problematic battery account for less than 0.1% of the entire volume sold. The problem can be simply resolved by changing the battery, but we'll come up with convincing measures for our consumers. Korea Times reported another anonymous store source stating, "We have acquired the handsets which our customers say burst into flames while charging. To identify the reason, we will come up with a fix as soon as the investigation is finished. We've suspended the supply of the phones earlier this week so as to double check their safety." And after hearing about anonymous sources like this for the last few days, it's now official. In a press conference in South Korea today, Samsung representatives have confirmed that they are still investigating. To date, there have been 35 cases that have been reported globally, and we are currently conducting a thorough inspection with our suppliers to identify possible affected batteries in the market. However, because our customer safety is an absolute priority at Samsung, we have stopped sales of the Galaxy Note 7. That's what they've said officially. So far, the Note 7 has been on sale in 10 countries since the 19th of August. The UAE actually received it a little earlier, that's what I got mine from. Reports indicate Samsung sold about 400,000 phones so far and shipped out about 1 million to dealers and whatnot. So that translates to approximately 0.01% faulty batteries, much lower than the initial rumored 0.1%. Samsung have also said for customers who already have Galaxy Note 7 devices, we will voluntarily replace their current device with a new one over coming weeks. So how do the replacements work? That is supposed to be explained on a market by market basis by the regional Samsung offices. Now, where does that leave people like me who've imported phones? I really don't know. My device seems okay for the most part. A quick dip in the pool got my S Pen clicker stuck, so I can't really insert it and pop it out anymore. That seems to be quite a common issue as well, by the way. But barring that, I don't have any issues like while charging or whatnot. But for the moment, even if you find a Note 7 in your country, hold off on it, do not buy it. Samsung says it's going to take them about 2 weeks to swap existing inventories that they've shipped to dealers around the world. So we're just going to have to wait it out and see how this develops. So anyway guys, I will keep you updated via Twitter on what happens, where Samsung goes with this. This is a huge PR fiasco from Samsung's standpoint. The effects of this are something Samsung's going to struggle to deal with. So anyway, if needed, I'm open to shooting a follow-up video on this if you guys want to know if it's required. Hopefully things do get resolved quick. I've been getting quite a few questions about this, and I thought I'd shoot a video explaining what's happening, what's going on. So that's it for this quick video. You like seeing me shoot videos like this on topics that you have questions on? Let me know in the comments below if you do. And that's it. If you did like the video, if you disliked the video, and for more videos, more coverage on the Note 7, more on the story as it develops, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this is Ash here from C4 Tech signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.